This is 2.6, number 6. It says a boat can carry 582 passengers to the base of a waterfall. A total of 13,105 people ride the boat today. All the rides are full except for the first ride. How many rides are given? Well, we first need to understand the problem. So we know that 13,105 people rode a boat today, and each trip they could take 582 passengers. But another key piece is that all the rides are full except for the first ride. So what that means is that all of the rides had 582 passengers except the very first ride. It's going to have the leftover people. So what we are going to do here is we're going to take 13,105 and we're going to divide that by 582. And this will tell us how many full rides there are and then how many people would be left over. So 582, I know it doesn't go into 1 or 13 or 131, but I know it goes into 1,210, and I'm going to say it's probably going to go in twice because I know 582 is close to 600. 600 would only go in there 2 times, so I'm going to do my multiplication off to the side. So I'm going to do 582 times 2, and I would get 4, 16, 10, 11. So I would get 1164. And I do know that's as close as I'm going to get. So I am going to put the 2 right here. And 582 times 2, we already did it. It's 1164. So I put that here. And then I am going to have to borrow. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 0 minus 6, can't do it. I have to make it a 10. This becomes a 2. I end up with 146. Now I need to bring down my 5. And how many people do you think, or how many 582s go into 1,465? I'm going to go ahead and say 2 again, because I know that 582 times 3 would be greater than this. So with that, I know it's going to be a 2. And one way, I said it in another video, but one way I can double check this is because this is what I end up with. This is my remainder, 301, and 301 is less than 582, so I know I got as close as I can. So here's what this means. It says how many rides are given. Well, we know that 22 full rides were given because we can fit 22 582s into 13,105, but this is kind of a trick question because although those ones are full, we still have another ride, and how many people does it have in it? It has 301 people in it. So that means there aren't just 22 rides. There's 22 full rides, but there are going to be 23 rides given total because, again, 22 rides are full. The first one has 301. So how many people are in the first ride? That would be 301. So we need to make sure we're really understanding this question before we work it out. And there you go, 23 rides given, 301 people are on that first ride.